Hello and welcome to the first episode of the Vision Lounge podcast. I am Andrew, Head of Media Buying and Strategy Implementations for Views Digital. And joining me as your host this episode, my friend, founder and CEO, and the creative mastermind for Views Digital, Nian.
Hi guys. Thank you for that intro, Andrew. And ayon, welcome guys to the very first episode of the Vision Lounge. So as you will already know, it has been a minute since we really wanted to, launch a podcast for views. So this wouldn't be possible without Andrew, with the help of Andrew, kasi pinush niya talaga na mangyari to. So kung may papasalamatan kayo,
Hello sa nanay
Andrew.
ko.
So for this episode, straightforward lang, simple lang, because we are all about that vision to reality. But most of you, siguro nababasa nyo lang that views is V2R, vision to reality. But we really wanted to expound more on this vision for Views Digital and for this podcast na din, kasi we hope that this would also, inspire you to alam mo yun, para makuha mo din yung vision mo, kasi this is something that we really hold important when it comes to running a business, lalo na if you're a starting entrepreneur.
Yes. And with that, start na tayo sa ating first topic.
Sige. Or pwede bukas din.
Okay. Sige. This first episode is all about the Vision Lounge.
Yes.
And it's all about the big vision.
Yes.
Question lang is, why do you think important ang having a vision?
Having a vision, kasi ito yung parang magiging like your anchor in everything that you do for your business. At one point, you will reach all your income goals, makuha mo yan lahat, but what will really make you stay in your business and the things that you do, for me, is really your vision. And yun nga, with this Vision Lounge kasi, the goal is to not have, all this fancy to show you all our wins and all that, shenanigans, but more of yung real, authentic us. Kaya din na-inspire kami sobra gawin to, kasi we are a very small team, and every time that we would get together, ganyan, we're all just, same human beings going through the same things that you're going through, and we often talk about, yung mga pa-deep na mga kung ano-ano. Pinag-uusapan namin. And we thought it's also nice to, immortalize that. Kasi somehow, siguro, hindi lang kami yung nakaka-experience nun, ganyan. And so we wanted to have this, this Vision Lounge for us to share that. Yun.
And with that, do you think your vision is part of why you're successful now?
Not that I'm successful already. But, oo naman. Kasi, from time to time, things change. And yung mga akala mo dating gusto mo, hindi mo na pala siya gusto. And this goes to the next episodes of yung mga pilot episodes natin, where we will talk about, the then and now of my perspective as a founder. So, yung vision talaga na yun, it changes and evolves over time as you grow as well. But, ayun nga, habang tumatagal, that is still, your anchor and the main thing that would, keep you going. So, oo naman.
Like, if you have a vision kasi talaga, you think straight, you go straight kung ano man yung vision mo. Kasi yun nga yung magiging North Star ng what you are doing.
Yes.
Kasi yun talaga yung gusto mo, and parang all out ka na kukunin ko tong gusto ko. Yun.
Yan. And it's something personal.
Yes.
Yes.
And something selfish, will you say?
Something selfish. Siguro it's both. Parang para sa akin, parang sobrang, I think it's unrealistic and dishonest to have a vision na parang selfless lang talaga. I think it's both parang healthy siya, na meron kang both selfless. Syempre, yun yung fire natin eh. Parang yung makikita natin na in service tayo. But all at the same time, it's important to see that vision na nandun din yung growth mo para sa sarili mo. Something selfish as well. So I think, it goes hand in hand. Yun.
And some tips lang for Nian, do you have any tips for our viewers and listeners? Kuwari, sila ng vision nila. Like, kuwari, they're starting out in freelancing. What do you think is important na parang maging vision nila? Or is this something na personal nilang malaman?
Siguro, I think this goes for kahit sino, kahit entrepreneur ka or freelance or employed ka. I think everyone should own, a vision. And I think when you go into the deeper aspects of having your own, I think it's just all about authenticity. So, yun yung pinaka number one. Let's say, kasi for Views Digital, the main vision is to really help to translate that vision to reality. But it didn't start out that way. Kumbaga, nagkameron ng iba't ibang version nun. Nagsimula sa helping these less creative entrepreneurs, tapos naging mas malaki siya into vision to reality. And it all started with, helping these brands na kumbaga may big idea sila, pero hindi lang nila alam kung paano yon gawin kasi wala silang team. Parang feeling nila buo yung idea, pero paano ko yun gagawin? So that is what Views Digital Studio is for. That is the main vision. And then parang as we go, parang umanak na lang siya into something na to inspire other, entrepreneurs who are like me, na parang nandun sa space na yon na still trying to figure things out. Kasi diba, parang nag-start siya as for brands, for yung in mind mo talaga, pag mag-start ka ng business, sige, tulungan ko to yung mga big brands sa ganito. Syempre, yun yung goal. Well, at least for me. Parang yun yung pangarap talaga na sana one day ma-service ko tong brand sa ganito. But, what's something beautiful about what happened with Views Digital Studios vision is that it expanded to more that I never thought that mas mabigat yung weight nun sa akin, na mas nag-make sense siya sa akin. It's like a vision that's called me. It's not something na, okay, sige, pasok ko ng entrepreneurship, sige, tulungan natin yung iba. Kasi paano ko tutulong? Kung in the first place, ako kailangan ko ng help nun. So moving forward, the vision expanded to, helping my co-founders or this nagsisimulang yung mga nangangarap lang na visionaries na kahit ordinaryo ako, kahit hindi kami nanggaling sa kung saan man dapat nanggagaling yung mga entrepreneurs, di ba? Parang it's me trying to somehow break the norm and really put that vision into these people na kasi ako, I really know na most of us, meron lahat tayo pangarap, di ba? And somewhere along that process, along that journey, nawawala yun. So I think that's part of the, of the big vision to allow these people, these youngsters like me or kahit hindi, youngsters, those who are young at heart to pursue something that they really want na akala nila reserved lang para sa specific na tao. So the main vision here is to let Views Digital Studio pave that way to a more vision-friendly world. Yun lang talaga yun. I know it's a big vision, pero para sa akin, kahit yung mismong community na lang natin, to the people who are actually listening to this is for you. So yun.
Like if you have talaga na like something good na parang not just for yourself, siguro parang ano kasi siya parang Moises ka na parang di ba yung parang gumaano yung dagat para sa'yo? Kasi parang bibigyan ka na niya ng way. Tapos madadala mo na lang yung ibang stuff. Di ba?
Hopefully. Pero basta ganun siya. Ayun. So, ayun, something related na I think nakwento ko na din sa'yo. I think something that really sparked up that, vision in me. Kasi guys, dumating dun sa point na parang, okay, I've ticked almost all of the things that I want. Dadating sa point na nakailang palit ka na ng vision board, lahat yun nagkakatotoo. And at one point, you get to question yourself, para saan ba? And all at the same time, when you know, run a business, dami nangyayari, ang daming sakit sa ulo, and this would lead you to think, wag na lang kaya. But what happens is that vision goes bigger than who you are. Kasi parang dumating talaga ako dun sa point na I've been, you know, asking the people who I'm doing business with, my, you know, the people of Views Digital Studio, parang para saan, to what extent yung paghihirap na to, and it all boils down to that, you know, that singular vision. And going back nga to that story, something that really did refresh me was one of the scenario. I actually shared this just recently as the Freelancers Helping Freelancers. So if you're a freelancer, you might as well go check that out. That's a Facebook group. So doon, shinare ko na parang one day, I was, you know, driving, doing my usual errands. Tapos, you know, I was driving the jeep, ganyan. Tapos, I was approaching doon na sa parking lot. Tapos, meron ako agad nakita na 3 students na nakatingin na as I was, you know, parking. And bumaba ako ng car kasi ayusin ko yung gamit ko dun sa likod, ganyan. And na overhear ko sila na nag-uusap na parang sabi ko sa'yo, babae yung nagda-drive nun. Tapos parang ang astig, no? Ganyan. Tapos nag-uusap sila na hayaan mo, pag nakaluwag-luwag tayo or pag nagka-work tayo, baka kabili din tayo ng ganyan. And then they went on talking. And this, you know, this particular scenario, you know, hit me. Kasi number one, na-hit ako no na parang oh shit, I really did made it. Kumbaga, hindi na, parang made it is very subjective, but personally, I came from down, up, diba? Parang hindi naman super up, but you know, I'm happy, and with the happiness, yun yung masasabi ko na I am successful, but not to the standard of others. Kasi para sa akin yun nga, masaya ako. That's one thing. Then the second thing that actually made me both happy and sad is the idea na sana gawin nila. Sana mapanindigan nila. Sana maniwala sila doon ng matagal na panahon. Because life will happen. Diba? Yung akala mo, diba, lahat naman tayo pagka-graduate, ayan, bibili na tayo ng bahay.
Yes, tatrabaho na. Marami na akong ipon.
Yes. Bibili na tayo ng sasakyan, diba? And these are, you know, beautiful dreams. And then, yung mga magagandang pangarap na to, once reality happens, it's so hard to hold on to that. I mean, the easiest thing na kaya mong gawin is to let go of that. Na parang ang dami mong magiging reasons and justifications sa sarili mo na, hindi naman kasi kami mayaman, hindi naman kasi ako matalino, hindi naman kasi ako talented. And you just go outside to that world na lahat mas magaling sa'yo. So parang maisip mo na lang na para sa kanila lang yan. So yun yung naisip ko na parang at one point natin nalilet go yung mga pangarap na yun. And I know it might be cheesy, but I know na somebody out there like me who dreams big, who has no direct supporter coming from the business industry na sasabihin sa akin na kaya mo yan, ganyan, wala eh. But since I'm a proof na these things could actually happen, my real purpose and vision now is to also, you know, radiate that
energy
to them na hindi man madali, lalo na, you know, I'm gonna be 101% transparent of privilege. Hindi kami let's say na lang na komportable akong lumaki, but all at the same time, hindi kami yung as in mayaman na kaya ako bilhin kahit ano. I still had to provide for myself for me to reach my goals and dreams. Hindi naman ako bibilhan ng magulang ko ng sports car, di ba? And these are the things na kailangan kong pagtrabahuhan ng sa akin lang. And the main vision is to help and to guide as much as we can, to help these big dreamers, to let them know na these things get difficult, but it is possible for you, and it is not enclosed to a certain group of people. Na kahit sino ka man, basta hindi mo pakawalan yung dream mo na yan. Though madami pang details within those, hindi naman yun ganun kadali. But long story short, it's possible. And if you're gonna work for it, and your vision is gonna be there, then it's meant to be for you. So, yeah.
And with that, yung one thing din na parang napag-usapan din namin na parang the views parang nagkaroon ka ng opportunities to grow even more like hindi siya for brands lang na for visionaries, pwede rin kaming makahelp yung sa children na may mga big vision na ganon. Siguro some other episodes mapag-usapan natin yung ganon.
So basically, we just wanted to let you guys know about, the big vision of Views Digital Studio, and you're listening here right now. And if there is, in any way that you can also help us, contribute to this vision, then you do let us know, kasi after all, it's, for everyone, and you're listening to this, so you might have also the resources or need. So these are the things that really makes us excited about this podcast even, kasi ito yung pinaka, as in lounge talaga siya, parang sobrang chill lang na usapan. So you cannot, expect, the perfect punches for everything that we're talking about, because walang script, walang anything. It's just, us talking, and we really just want to bring it out there. But in the next episodes, we are to talk about the then and now, as mentioned earlier, of me as a founder. With the next episode, we are going to talk about my motivation and drive and how that changed over time. And then dun sa mga next episodes pa, of course, we're gonna have guests. We're gonna have a lot of fun with the next episode. So if you did enjoy this one, if you get to had an idea of what Views Digital Studio is all about, and I hope this somehow inspired you to create your own vision as well. So ayun, that's it for this episode, guys. We are gonna, see you on the next one. Drew?
See you and goodbye. For this episode naman, we will be talking about motivation and drive. Siguro pakita natin yung contrast between yung then and now